Area 51 is a place of mystery. It is located in Nevada, a state in the USA. The base is in a remote area called Groom Lake. This makes it hard to get to. Area 51 is run by the U.S. Air Force. It is a highly classified facility. Very few people know what happens inside. The secrecy has led to many stories. People tell tales of strange lights and objects. Some believe Area 51 hides evidence of alien life. Others think the government tests secret weapons there. The truth is likely more ordinary. However, Area 51's mystique continues to fascinate. The base is heavily guarded. Warning signs are everywhere. They remind people to stay away. Trespassers risk arrest. The airspace above is also restricted. No planes can fly over without permission. This level of security only adds to the intrigue surrounding Area 51. Area 51 was built in 1955. The Cold War was in full swing. The United States needed an edge over the Soviet Union. The base provided a secret location. It was here that the government could test new aircraft. One such aircraft was the U-2 spy plane. The U-2 could fly at very high altitudes. This allowed it to take pictures over enemy territory. The plane's existence was a closely guarded secret. Its development and testing at Area 51 helped the U.S. gather valuable intelligence. This gave them an advantage in the Cold War. Over the years, Area 51 has been used to develop other aircraft. These include the SR-71 Blackbird and the F-117 Nighthawk. The base has played a key role in advancing aviation technology. It remains an important site for the U.S. military. Area 51 has been linked to many conspiracy theories. The most famous is the belief that it houses captured alien spacecraft. Some people claim to have seen UFOs near the base. Others say they have worked on alien technology there. One well-known figure is Bob Lazar. He claims to have been employed at Area 51 in the 1980s. Lazar says he worked on reverse engineering alien spacecraft. He even described the propulsion systems of these alleged UFOs. His story has been widely disputed. However, it continues to fuel speculation about Area 51. Another theory suggests that Area 51 is used for weather manipulation. Some believe the government is experimenting with controlling the weather. This could be for military purposes or even to influence global climate. While this theory is intriguing, there is no evidence to support it. Section 4. Area 51 in popular culture. Area 51 has become a part of popular culture. It has been featured in movies, TV shows, and video games. One of the most famous examples is the movie Independence Day. In the film, Area 51 is depicted as a secret government facility. It houses a captured alien spacecraft. The base has also been featured in TV shows like The X-Files. The show often used Area 51 as a backdrop for its paranormal investigations. Video games have also capitalized on the Area 51 phenomenon. These games often feature missions or levels set within the base. The popularity of Area 51 in fiction has only added to its mystique. It has cemented its place in the public imagination as a place of secrets and intrigue. The base continues to fascinate and inspire storytellers across various media. Section 5. The truth is out there. Despite its reputation, Area 51 is just a military base. It is used to develop and test new technologies. While the government is secretive about its activities there is no evidence of alien spacecraft or weather control. However, the lack of concrete information only fuels speculation. People love a good mystery, and Area 51 is perhaps the biggest mystery of them all. Whether you believe the stories or not, there is no denying the hold it has on our imaginations. Area 51 is likely to remain a source of fascination for years to come. It is a reminder that there are still places in the world shrouded in secrecy. And as long as these secrets remain, so too will the stories.